A numbers matching 383 1970 Dodge Charger. The entire interior has been done. The seats have been redone. They're beautiful black seats. Good day, everybody. I'm Christopher, and as always, behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and right here to my immediate right is a numbers matching 383 1970 Dodge Charger with a subtle orange color. Isn't it beautiful? This car is spectacular. The entire interior has been done. The seats have been redone. They're beautiful black seats. It's an automatic car. We got highway gears in back. We have a gorgeous, gorgeous trunk. The paint on here, really nice. Love the interior, which I am sure we've got wonderful B-roll of as we need it. You know something about a Dodge interior, it's always a step above everybody else. It really is. I was never really a Dodge guy until I really saw these old ones. They're gorgeous. Anyway, 1970s finest offering for the Dodge Charger. Love the 383 matching, numbers matching engine. It's really clean. Why don't we take it for a drive, eh, Jake?
All right, sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
All right, now we can go. Now we have fossil fuels.
Yes, just enough to get there.
Good thing we checked that before we got too far.
We do that sometimes.
Because we probably would have run out of gas.
It's not a Prius.
It's not a Prius. No. You are very correct about that.
This is the last thing a Prius.
Nothing Japanese about this car.
Nope.
It was in the Dukes of Hazzard.
Darn right it was. Did some wicked jumps.
This one does not have the Confederate flag on the roof, though.
Yeah, we didn't need any trouble.
Well, it sounds
sure does
good.
Sound good. So it's kind of light outside, but you can kind of see it, the indicator on the top left. That's kind of cool.
I can see it from here. I don't think the camera will pick it up, but
oh, boo.
They do work. The indicator's in the hood facing you, so you know if you left your blinker on. It also has a light on the dash, but just in case.
Well, there goes my phone.
There goes your phone flying into the back seat, but that's okay.
Whoa. It's got beans, a little surprisingly. I didn't expect it to go that quick.
Well, it's a 383. Of course it has beans.
It's got tons.
And it's a bright orange Dodge Charger with a brand new black interior.
Which I love.
And these seats are very comfortable.
Extremely. Like new.
The wood grain on the dash, a very Mopar thing. And on the console here, accompanying our automatic transmission. Our automatic transmission. We also have a road gear radio.
Oh, neat.
Never heard of it, but it looks newer than 1970, so.
It does.
I'm assuming it's an upgrade. Oh.
Nice. Felt it go. Nice. Wow, that's nice. Shift's good. Straight as an arrow.
Track straight, shifts nice, brakes work.
Sounds good too. Wow, it's rumbling.
It does sound good. There's a nice rumble. It's a good car.
It is. It is. I love the color
and
too.
It's got the hideaway headlights, which is just awesome.
Who doesn't love hideaways?
Who doesn't love a Charger with hideaway headlights?
I know.
One of the coolest looking front ends ever.
I think so. Very distinguished. You definitely know what it is.
Oh,
you see it
absolutely.
coming down the road like, that's a Charger. I've seen the new EV Chargers. They look cool, but doesn't have a 383 in it.
No.
And it should. Oh man, these seats are nice.
I know, these seats are really comfortable.
And you know what? 2 people, regular size, can fit back there.
Oh yeah, we have back seats.
We do.
Very regular sized people will definitely fit back there.
Absolutely. Oh wow, that's a big truck. Of course.
Ooh.
Nice brakes. These are power brakes, by the way. Factory.
The
power
brakes,
steering.
The brakes do
factory.
work.
Power, our air conditioning, factory. That's what our good friend the Gurus told me.
Factory air, factory power brakes, factory power steering, huh?
Yes. I love that.
Green light. Makes a good noise.
Yes, it does. And when it warms up, she really starts going.
Yeah, the 383 is a little cold-natured, especially on a day like this.
Yeah, and it's old.
It's about 40 degrees here in Missouri.
Us 54-year-olds are. I'm 52. This is 53.
Once you give it a sec,
give it some time.
She warms up and she runs.
Oh yes, we're going to the stop sign.
Gotta love a stop sign.
Sure I do. Oh wow.
Your turns to be.
It's got beans. It's got beans for days. It does. It's nice. It's comfy too. For a big, huge muscle car. With an iconic front grille.
And we are in our special spot.
Our special spot.
For a good old-fashioned startup.
We're gonna move a little further down, away from all the riffraff.
We'll go past this white car right here. I think it'll be fine.
Oh, look at that dog.
There's a dog over there playing with a frisbee. Gotta love that.
I do.
All right, you ready for a good old-fashioned startup?
You're darn right I am.
Sounds good to me. It is gorgeous out today for a good old-fashioned startup. How was that?
Well, it's a good car. It's really nice. It's beautiful looking. Why don't you drive it back, Jake?
Sounds good, Stabile.
Okay.